Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is choose simple tests for equality of variance, an F test. And if we go to hypothesis test on Excel, and we go to the hypothesis test on the data menu, we will go there later. We have 5 tests. Two sample tests for means, variance unknown or known. Two sample tests for means, variance unknown, assumed equal, and here assumed unequal. Parent two sample tests, and two sample tests for equality of variance. We will be working today with the last one. We have videos for the other 4, and the video is in our playlist. So if you want to know more about the other 4, here we are. So what is this test? So test for equality of variance between two samples using a new type of test, the F test. To use this test, we assume both samples are drawn from normal population. So it is not very random, or not very random, but not very different or special data that are not normal. And the hypothesis here is that 0, the variance are the same. So the samples have the same variance. And here we are not talking about means, we are talking about variance. So here the equal variance H1 is not equal. And here the F test statistic, that is how we do the formula, but we don't go there. So the Excel 2 is F test for equality of variance. So, okay, let's go to the Excel file. And remember, all our Excel files are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So here, let's take some student sample, 2 classes, one in the fall, one at the spring, not the same number of students. That doesn't matter, and they are not even the same students because it is the same course. And let's consider these at their final grades at the end of this semester. So, okay, I want to see if the variance are the same. So first we go to data analysis. Oops, I don't have it on my Excel. How do you add it? That's easy and fast. Go to File, Options, Add-ins, Excel, go. It is the analysis toolpath. It is done. If I uncheck it, it will go out. All I need to do is check it again, and it is on. So, okay, data analysis, F-test, choose samples for variance. So here, variable 1 range, the fall, variable 2, the spring. Don't select until the end of the fall, because if you do that, Excel will assume that these 3 numbers are 0. So come here and labels, because the first row is the label of our variable. New worksheet by, and here we are. So, okay, fall and spring, let's zoom in here. It will be easier for you. So here we have mean, the fall is greater than spring, the variance, and the observation 30 and 27, degrees of freedom 29 and 26. So degrees of freedom, the observation -1, so here -2. The F, and here the P, or the alpha. So here is 0.00015, very, very slow, below 0.05. So here, the variance are different. On the spring semester is greater and statistically significant greater than on the fall semester. So here we have different variance. So the dispersion between students on the spring semester is greater than on the fall semester. Remember, We are not going on mean. I don't want to know if this mean is greater than this mean, but the dispersion among my students or among my data. Okay, so here we reject it. So we reject 8, 0. So they are the variance is different. So we cannot assume that they and one tail. So here is significant greater than the fall semester. If it is two tails, then times two, and then we still reject it. So it is different. So usually on Excel, it is a one tail test. Easy, huh? All we want to know, all we need to know is when we can do it. So, guys, thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, leave them here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.